Hey Arthur, my name is Erin. You had spoken with my husband Rob Duff on the phone today. We're from Duff Digital Marketing, a marketing company in Greensboro. We happened to be doing some research in your area and we came across your website. So I figured I would shoot you this short video. I'm giving you 3 tips on how you can beat out your competition online. I'm sure that you are very busy, so I certainly do not want to waste your time. I'll keep this nice and short for you, but if by the end of the video you can tell that we have some tricks up our sleeve that can help grow your business online and that's something that you're interested in doing, please give us a call and we can chat. And if not, no worries at all. Please just take these tips that I've given you today for free and put them into action. The only thing that I do ask, if you don't mind and you have time, would be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was helpful for you. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and jump in and get started. The 3 things that I do want to cover today are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is going to be content. That's basically anything that you can see here on your website. That does also include the pictures and what they're saved as, and also what's behind the pictures can be considered content as well. So these are things that the search engine can read and get an idea of what services that you offer, the area that you're targeting, and all of that will help to position you in the search ranking. So having unique authoritative content and enough of it, that way you can put in those keywords and key phrases that you want to be found for, is super important. And looking at your website, it does look like it's lacking a bit of content. To Google, content is king, so the more that you have, the better. And like I said, it just really gives you more of an opportunity to be able to put those keywords and key phrases that you're wanting to get ranked for on Google in as well. And looks like at the bottom here too, it looks like some black lettering against a black background. So may just want to brighten that up a little bit just so it's easier to read. But other than that, your site is very pleasing to the eye. It has a nice layout. It's not all jumbled with just too many things going on. So fantastic job with that. Everything looks really good. That's really the only tip that I have for you as far as that goes. So we'll go ahead and move on. The second tip that I have for you is going to be citations. So looking at a Google search here for Hardwood, floor refinishing in Greensboro, looks like we have some ads here at the top. And honestly, in this day and age, a lot of people are just steering away from the ads. People have ad blockers set so they don't even have to see those things. It's really not necessary. You can get ranked organically with lots of other techniques. So what we have here is called the map pack. With the map pack, that has a lot to do with the citation. So what a citation is essentially is your business name, business address, and phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. So you may be asking yourself, what is a directory and how can I get myself listed in one of those? To put it simply, a directory is basically things like Yellow Pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, and any other places online that allow business owners to add their business information and services within there. That would be considered a directory. So in order to rank high on the maps, you would need to make sure that you're looking at your competition's directory listings and seeing what they're currently being listed in. You would want to go out and get yourself listed in wherever your competition is listed, but you do not just want to stop there either. Whatever your competition has, you want to add more. That way you're completely dominating them in that space, and it will help you rank here in the search. So now that we have covered the content and the citations, the last thing that I wanted to go over is going to be backlinks. That has a lot to do with what we call the organic section. So that would be the section down here, anything under that map pack. The way backlinks works is there's a website out there that has a link to your website, and it's pushing power to your site, which is potentially bringing traffic to you all. So backlinks are not all created equal though. For example, say that you did some work with somebody who owns an ice cream shop and they have decided that they are going to send a link from their website to your website. but unfortunately that link is going to be all about ice cream. So it's really not going to do a lot for you since it has nothing to do with your business. We want links from other, hardwood companies that basically send a link back to your website that say, yes, they are a home renovation company. They do hardwood refinishing. That's going to be a lot more powerful because it's unique, but it's also relevant to your industry. So looking at one of the tools that I have here, this is called Ahrefs, and it's not 100% accurate, but it is a company that buys data from Google. So it gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition too. And with this, I can see that you guys currently have 21 referring domains, which is giving you 52 backlinks. And out of all of those, you're getting found for 74 keywords. And out of those keywords, you're getting about 10 people average to your website each month. And like I said, this is just a tool. It's not 100% accurate. If you want the most accurate information, you would get that straight from Google Analytics. But as you can see here too, I did pull up some of the keywords. I'm just going to click this position button because that will show us in order how you're positioning. So it looks like you all are ranking for your business name. That's still at position 7. So there's typically about 10 entries on one page. So that's probably at around the bottom of the first page. And then we're going into the second and third page here. And if you look over here, this is the last time that everything was updated. Your positioning may not be exactly the same as it is right at this moment, but it does, again, just give me a good idea of where you're at. So let's see here. Let's take a look at one of your competitors. This was the first person listed in the organic section, the section under those maps that we had talked about earlier, Premier Hardwood Flooring. So it looks like they have 27 referring domains, giving them 57 backlinks, which is getting them found for 268 keywords and driving about 75 people to their website each month. So we'll take a look at some of the keywords that they're using here. And I'm going to click the position again just so we can kind of see everything in order. So they're getting found for their business name, also Hardwood Floor Finishing Greensboro, NC, Premier Hardwood Floors again. So it looks like they do have a lot of keywords, and they are further up in the ranking as well. And truly, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're adding more than whatever your competition has of citations, contents, and backlinks. So that's pretty much all that I have for you today. I do hope that this video has been educational for you. If you'd like to know more about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help grow your business via your online presence, please give us a call and we can chat. And like I said, if not, no worries. Enjoy these free tips. And if you can just give me some feedback on how I did on this video, we would greatly appreciate it. Thank you for your time, Arthur. You have a great rest of your day. We'll talk to you soon.